You're on the market for a mortgage and your debt to income ratio is really holding you back from getting the mortgage that you want, or you just want to get approved for more, then this is a video that you want to watch because I'm going to explain exactly how to lower that debt to income ratio without paying a penny to lower it. And I'm going to explain how to remove those negative items that could possibly be holding you back from getting approved for more. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Kristen and I fix credit for a living. I've got over 1,600 videos going back 9 years that explain step by step how you can do this yourself for free. Now, first thing you want to do is smash that like and subscribe if you haven't done so that you too can increase your credit score and go out and get that mortgage or those credit cards or just the credit that you need for the life that you want. There's many things that can hold you back from getting the mortgage that you want or that you need. For example, if you live in places like Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Atlanta, New York City, or Miami, a $500,000 mortgage really isn't going to get you anything, right? You're looking more at least 700,000 and sometimes over $1 million. I know it sounds crazy, but hey, it's 2023 and that's what we're dealing with. Normally, to lower your debt to income ratio, you would actually have to lower it by paying. But what if there were a way to do this without paying a penny? Now, to understand this, you would have to understand the FCRA. The FCRA basically states that anything that is disputed that is inaccurate or unverifiable must be removed. And you have the due process to dispute any inaccurate information on your credit report. You get where I'm going here? So even though your accounts may not be negative that have these higher balances that are holding you back, you can still dispute them as long as you actually know what you're doing. And no, you're not going to get in trouble. Again, due process to dispute inaccurate information. Now, I have a couple of links down in the description that are going to help you to learn, in addition to my 1,600 videos going back 9 years, how to remove these accounts. But I will make something specifically on removing positive accounts that are causing you to have a higher debt to income ratio. A lot of people don't realize that this is October 2023, and in 2023, we are talking about interest rates between 7 and 12%. We're not talking about 2, 3, 4, or 5% interest. And I mean, to understand the problem, you need to listen to this example. You see, let's say that you have a $200,000 30-year conventional mortgage at a 4% interest rate. That's $43,000. However, because someone has late payments or, a paid collection, even if that late payment was from 2 years ago, now we're talking about a 5% interest rate, and that interest has now doubled to $86,000. So these small things can make a huge impact on your wallet. Instead of, and this is just my advice, instead of jumping into, getting the fastest mortgage approval, you should be looking at getting the best rates, the best mortgage and the best rates. And you do that by going in with at least a 740 credit score and by ensuring that you have zero negative items on your credit, and by lowering that debt to income ratio. Now, let's go over and talk about those negative items that can hold down your credit score. Late payments, those need to go. I don't care how old they are. Collections and charge-offs, those should not be on there. I don't care that you went and you paid it 2 years after it was charged off. It needs to be removed. I spoke with a loan officer yesterday and asked a couple of questions and learned more about your buying power and what they are looking for when they look at your credit report. So if you are trying to get the highest loan amount possible and the lowest interest rate, then what you need to do is have a minimum 740 credit score, zero negative items, and obviously the finances to back these things up, and you need to be able to prove it. Outside of that, obviously no tax liens, no bankruptcy in the past 10 years, and you should be golden. All right. If you have questions about this, post it down in the comments. But if you want to learn more about how to remove these negative items from your credit report, as well as removing even positive things so that you can decrease your debt to income ratio, smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you next time.